In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Outlook. 5 minutes. Emojis are a quick way to add tone and clarity to your emails, whether you're celebrating a win, softening a request, or just keeping things friendly. Let's walk through the simplest built-in way to add them in Outlook. First, open Outlook and sign in so you're on the main screen. From the left navigation, switch to Mail so you're looking at your inbox. This ensures you're in the right place to compose a message. Next, start a new email by selecting New. A compose window opens. Place your cursor wherever you want the emoji to appear, usually in the message body, but you can also add emojis to a subject line if your organization allows it. If you're emailing externally or in a formal context, keep subject line emojis minimal and relevant. Now look along the top of the compose window and choose Insert. Depending on your version and window size, you might need to expand the formatting tools with the 3 dots to see it. Insert is where Outlook groups content you can add to your message, like pictures, links, and of course emojis. Select emoji. This opens the emoji picker, which is your library of icons organized by categories like smileys, people, activities, and symbols. If you're not seeing it, check that you're composing in HTML or rich text rather than plain text, since plain text won't display formatted emoji. Finally, click the emoji you want. It drops right where your cursor is. You can add multiple emojis by clicking more than one, and you can close the picker when you're done. If you change your mind, use backspace or delete to remove any emoji. Some emojis offer skin tone or style variations. Look for a small drop down or long press behavior if available. If your message looks crowded, add a space before or after the emoji to improve readability. A few quick tips as you go: use emojis to reinforce your message, not replace it. 1 or 2 well-chosen icons can add warmth without distracting from your point. If the Insert tab or emoji option isn't visible, try maximizing the window or clicking more formatting options. And remember that different devices render emojis slightly differently. What you see in Outlook may appear with a different style for your recipient, though the meaning stays the same. That's it. Go to Outlook, open Mail, start a new message, choose Insert, tap emoji and click the one you want. Send with confidence and let your message say a little more without adding extra words.